Kodus! Klang!
What is the matter, Your Majesty?
Do you want us to help you open this huge box? Oh, this box? This box contains the most ancient toothbrush in the entire universe. This is going to be displayed in the Great Toothbrush Museum for the Winter Gala. It has to be handled with utmost care and love. Haha! Well, that sounds amazing, Your Majesty. But why did you sound so worried when you called us? Oh, as you are already aware, the Winter Gala is in 2 days. And it is my deepest wish that my mother be the chief guest at this event. Unfortunately, I just realized that I haven't even invited her.
Oh, no!
So, here's what I need you to do. Design an invitation and send it to Mother. Remember to be polite and make sure that she accepts the invitation. Go on. Toot toot! The Winter Gala is almost here, and King Septus wants his mother to be the chief guest. We need to send the invitation to Her Grace right now. Tap on the send button and help us send the invitation to Her Grace, please.
Maybe Her Grace wants to compliment us for sending such a well-written invitation.
Dear Kodus and Klang, I reject this invitation. It is full of errors. I shall give you another chance. Correct the mistakes and send me a perfect invitation by the end of the day.
We hardly have any time to figure out what's wrong. What do we do now?
Aha! I know who can help us.
Kodus and Klang. I was expecting you. I received your message. And I can see the mistakes Her Grace was referring to.
But we made sure to add all the important information.
You've added all the information, but you've missed out a very important detail. You haven't capitalized all the proper nouns in the invitation.
But we did capitalize the proper nouns. Just to be sure, capitalization means that the first letter of the word is a capital letter. Right, Kiki?
That is correct. Now, do you two remember what proper nouns are?
Yes, proper nouns are...
Proper nouns are names of specific people, places, animals, and objects.
Proper nouns also include the names of months and days.
And proper nouns are always capitalized.
But, Kiki, we did capitalize the names of people, places, months, and days in the invitation.
Yes, but that's not all that has to be capitalized. Proper nouns also include titles of people, books, and movies. And most importantly, proper nouns are always capitalized, even if they come in the middle of a sentence. Do you two now realize where you have gone wrong? Some of the proper nouns in this invitation aren't capitalized. Let's read the invitation and correct the mistakes. You've capitalized all the names of specific people in your invitation correctly.
Yup, our names, Kodus and Klang, and King Septus have been capitalized.
But you've missed out on one other thing. Titles given to specific people are capitalized as well.
The king in King Septus is the title with which we address him.
And we address Her Grace with the title, Your Grace.
Now, do you remember how names of specific places are also proper nouns, and they need to be capitalized as well?
Yes, that is why we've capitalized Planet Septurn.
The Great Toothbrush Museum is the name of a specific place, too, and it will have to be capitalized as well.
Yes, That is correct. You've capitalized the names of the day and the month in the invitation correctly. Good job.
Yes, since Monday and December are a specific day and month, we have capitalized them.
I want you to notice how the title of this book is capitalized. This is because titles of books and movies are always capitalized.
Oh, we are screening a movie at the gala. Won't the name of the movie be capitalized then?
Yes, Kodus, you're absolutely correct.
Uh-huh.
Did you know that the names of seasons are also capitalized when they are part of a proper noun? For example, when we say, it's cold in winter, we needn't capitalize winter. However, in the invitation, we are talking about a very specific Winter Gala.
Oh, yes! So we have to capitalize Winter Gala.
And that's it. You're done. The invitation is absolutely correct now.
Yay!
Thank you, Kiki.
Aw, it looks perfect, doesn't it?
Perfect enough to be sent to her grace right away. Thank you for your help, Kiki. We shall now head back home and send her grace the invitation.
Don't forget to attend the gala.
You're welcome. Good luck. I'll see you there.
The invitation for the Winter Gala is all ready. Now all we need to do is send it to her grace. Tap on the send button and help us send the invitation to her grace.
Dear Kodus and Klang, I would be honored to attend the Winter Gala. Thanks for inviting me. Good job on the capitalization.
Yeah!